LAX-SYD, where the local time is 8:17. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry-on items stowed until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight, and please ensure you have all of your personal belongings before deplaning. As we reach our gate, we invite you to use the Flight Delta app for important baggage and connection information. For customers requesting a wheelchair upon arrival, we will advise you upon reaching the gate when assistance is available to disembark the aircraft. You may receive an email asking you to share your feedback. We value and use your responses to improve your future travel experiences. On behalf of this Los Angeles-based crew, we'd like to say happy holidays and thank you for helping us celebrate 100 years in flight. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.